The inverter cannot identify the battery. The system reports the 2068 battery abnormal alarm. Press the black Start button on the power control module. Check whether the battery can be started normally. If not, ensure that the power cables between the inverter and battery are securely connected. If the cable connection is normal, the power control module is faulty and needs to be replaced. If the indicator on the power control module is blinking green slowly, perform the following steps to continue the troubleshooting. Check that the wire sequence of the communications terminal between the inverter and the battery is correct. Check that the wire sequence of the communications terminal between cascaded batteries is correct. Check that the communications cable is stripped correctly and is in good contact with the terminal. Check whether other devices connected to the inverter communications port communicate properly. If the connected meter cannot communicate with the inverter communications port may be faulty. Replace the inverter for cross-verification. If the communication with other connected devices is normal, the communications port on the power control module may be faulty. Connect the communications cable to the other communications port on the power control module for verification. If the communication still fails, the communications terminal of the power control module may be damaged. Replace the communications terminal for cross-verification. If the communication still fails, the power control module hardware may be damaged. Replace the power control module for cross-verification. Check that the inverter PE cable is properly grounded.